the hands. I catch the bus and go to work the way I did before. The same routine, most every day, except I guess I see my folks much more. A year has passed, I thought by now that I could make a new life on my own. But habits are so hard to break. I think of you and I'm too late. It takes too long to learn to live alone. It's really bad when Friday comes because I know the weekend lies ahead. The walks we take, the football games, and when it rains, how late we stay in bed. I've done so much to change the house, the attic's full of memories unknown. And yet when I turn out to the light, I think of you to say goodnight. It takes